New developments in the case of that missing Connecticut mother of 5 who vanished without a trace. Jennifer Dulos' estranged husband and his girlfriend are now in custody, due in court this morning. Eva Pilgrim is with the latest on the investigation. Good morning, Eva.
Good morning, Robin. Jennifer Dulos vanished 11 days ago. This morning, her estranged husband and his new live-in girlfriend are in court facing charges related to her disappearance.
This morning, the estranged husband of that missing mother of 5 and his girlfriend are behind bars. 51-year-old Fotis Dulos and his live-in girlfriend, 44-year-old Michelle Troconis, set to face a judge. The two arrested Saturday night in connection to the investigation into the disappearance of Connecticut mother Jennifer Dulos. Both now charged with evidence tampering and hindering the prosecution. TheDailyMail.com obtaining this video showing authorities speaking with Dulos and Troconis at his home Friday evening. According to the Hartford Courant, after traces of blood were reportedly found inside Jennifer's New Canaan home, the couple complied with a search warrant ordered for their DNA and hair samples. Overnight, friends and family of the missing 50-year-old gathered at 2 vigils, praying for her safe return home.
When really difficult things happen, those things ripple through communities, and New Canaan is a small community, and everybody is a friend of one or two friends away from knowing somebody in the family.
Jennifer Dulos was last seen more than a week ago dropping her kids off at school. That evening, her black Chevy Suburban was found abandoned outside of a local park. Authorities using drones, helicopters, and canines to search the park, storm drains, and dumpsters. On Sunday, the search zeroing in on another home near Farmington, Connecticut. This $3 million mansion, which was developed by Fotis' contracting company, that mansion just 2 miles from his current residence. According to court documents, the former couple was in the midst of a heated divorce and custody battle.
Farmington 911, what's the location of your emergency?
Yeah, I'm worried about my wife and kids.
Fotis even calling 911 2 years ago when he was unable to reach the children after Jennifer took them on a planned weekend to Manhattan. In court filings, Jennifer claiming, "I am afraid of my husband. I know that filing for divorce will enrage him. I know he will retaliate by trying to harm me in some way. He is dangerous and ruthless when he believes he has been wronged." Fotis fiercely denied those claims.
And both the estranged husband and his new girlfriend are being held on $500,000 bond. Police say more charges are expected. George.
This is the matter of Fotis Dulos. Attorney Rick Yo, you're representing Mr. Fotis.
Arraignment only, Your Honor, correct.
Excuse me, Mr. Dulos, for arraignment purposes only. Ms. Wendell.
Your Honor, my understanding is we'll be doing the advisement separately to both. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so good morning, Mr. Dulos. Before we proceed, sir, I'm going to provide you with your legal rights. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you. You have the right to consult with an attorney before you answer questions. Have that attorney present while you're answering questions. You have the right to stop answering questions when you so choose. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, sir, you may be eligible for the services of the attorneys of the public defender's office. You have the right to reasonable bail until a public and speedy trial before a judge or a jury. You have the right to plead not guilty, cross-examine the state's witnesses, call your own witnesses, or testify in your own defense if you choose to do so, sir. You have the right to raise any defenses you believe you may have and have the state plead its case against you beyond a reasonable doubt. If you're not a United States citizen, conviction against you could result in exclusion from readmission, deportation, or denial of naturalization under federal law. You have the right to have your consulate notified of your arrest. If you would like your consulate notified of your arrest, please let us know. If you have difficulty with the English language, the court will provide you with an interpreter. Thank you. All right, Ms. Webley.
Good morning, Your Honor. Your Honor, defendant is 51 years old, reports residing in Connecticut for the past 19 years. Defendant does report that he is self-employed for the past 15 years, Your Honor. He has no criminal convictions. Bail is going to recommend bond remain as set at $500,000 cash or surety.
Yes, Your Honor. State will adopt the bail commissioner's recommendation and ask that there be non-financials set as well in the defendant. Namely, I'd ask that any bond posted by the defendant be posted at the courthouse. After hearing, Your Honor, I'd ask that he turn over his passport, as well as he submit to GPS monitoring, again, should he make bond.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm asking for substantial reduction in the bond. He's 51 years old, has no record degrees from 2 prestigious universities, substantial work history both in the financial world as well as in his own construction business. And I'm asking the court to consider a substantial reduction in the bond. I think it's important here to understand that we're just setting a bond for a hindering case, and that's all, hindering/tampering case. I think the bond should reflect that respectfully, Your Honor. Thank you.
If I might, Your Honor, upon review of the warrant, it certainly can be anticipated that more charges are coming, and while it may appear just a hindering case, I think the court can certainly see the serious nature of the charges as well.
Leslie, if I could just add, I do not want to have to post the bond here at the courthouse. I see no reason for that, Your Honor, respectfully.
Your Honor, state is asking such that the conditions can be placed upon him immediately. He can meet with the bail commissioner, and the GPS monitoring can be put in place immediately upon closing.
Thank you. Is there anything further? All right, so I've reviewed the warrant this morning based on the allegations of the warrant. The court's going to remove bond as set at $500,000 cash or surety. That bond is to be posted at the courthouse to ensure that Mr. Dulos, if he does post that bond, is to surrender his passport, and the bail commissioner will create a GPS. Next court date?
6/11, Your Honor, I believe Mr. Quick has prepared the transfer to Part A form.
All right, so this case
And that, again, I understand the court saying at the courthouse, and that's going to be after a hearing, such that he does not go to the clerk's office and bond out, but that there'd be knowledge so that it could be advised as well.
I'm sorry, I missed that. We were trying to do the transfer form. I'm sorry.
The state's requesting that I make a condition, not just that he will post the bond at the courthouse, but at the courthouse after a hearing, so the scheduled hearing takes place first.
I don't quite understand that. We set the terms and conditions. If the court wants them posted here, I understand it, but why does there, we've just had a bond hearing, why does there have to be an additional hearing? Respectfully, I don't understand that.
Well, the court did set it without prejudice, so certainly any of the conditions, and as this proceeds along, there may need to be modifications of same. So that'd be the basis of the state's request.
So, Enrico, does your client, do you believe your client's going to be posting bond today?
I don't believe that's the case, but I'm not certain, Your Honor. I can't make that commitment one way or the other, respectfully. So.
All right. Well, so in the event that the bond can be posted in Stanford because the case is transferred to Stanford, I'll make the additional condition that before you can post out of Stanford that there be another hearing at Stanford. If he's going to post out today, then this hearing will be sufficient for the purposes. All right. So 6/11 in Stanford.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.